In this video, we will show you how to exchange the Y-axis folding bellow of your E3. Have the following items ready: a spare Y-axis folding bellow with Velcro strips and the provided TX10 angle screwdriver. Switch off the machine at the main power switch. Disconnect the machine from all lines. Remove the service cover. We provide a video on this topic. The folding bellow is located at this position. Pull the folding bellow off the Velcro strips on the Z-axis and on the front of the machine. Squeeze the folding bellow and remove it from its guides at an angle. Pick up the spare folding bellow and pull the two Velcro strips off the folding bellow. If the Velcro strips in the machine are defective, use these spare Velcro strips as a replacement. Otherwise, dispose of them. Rotate the folding bellow so that the plastic slats point upwards. Then, press the folding bellow together and insert it diagonally into its guides. Pull the folding bellow apart and press the ends onto the Velcro strips. Fully assemble the machine housing again. We provide a video on this topic. Connect the machine with all lines. Switch on the machine at the main power switch. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E3. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.